Marshal Enterprises, Battle of Austerlitz. Let's take a look at the map. Yikes, it goes on forever. That is a big map, and every bit of it is fought over. So it's a fun battle. In the south, we have Austerlitz and Austerlitz and the Pheasantry astride the Goldbach. Moving north, two more small towns, Puntowitz. We see the Pratzen Heights here with the vineyard in the small town, all the way up to the north with the Sanson Height and the road back to Austerlitz. Now historically, the coalition arrayed a light wing here on the right to sort of stymie the French. They moved the rest of their columns south across these heights, with the object being to sweep in and take the French from the left. Their left, the French right. So the objective for them was to move across all this territory, strike Austerlitz, Austerlitz, the Pheasantry, and then advance, turn the French right, advance, and cut them off with a big sweeping maneuver. On the face of it, that sounds crazy. The best arm of the Russian army is the artillery, the most potent. Marching this far with artillery is next to impossible. Having played the game several times now, it's pretty darn hard to get a sustained Russian attack on these towns before the French can develop their killing blows in the north and center. So we're going to change the strategy a little bit this game. We're going to send some historic forces against Austerlitz and Austerlitz. That would be Dokhtarov's first column, along with Kienmeyer's advanced guard cavalry and light soldiers. But the rest of the troops we're going to send straight to the center with the object of turning north and striking the French before they can deploy, or even as they're deploying should be good enough. So the center will array itself here on the heights to try to be more of a bulwark for the faster left hook from the southern wing. The advanced guard and a Bagration up here in the north, I think it can continue to do its job. In the previous games we've had good success with them screening and holding back the French more than long enough for this new attack plan to take shape. The French, I think we're going to take this from the perspective of the coalition more than the French, so we're just going to let the French play out their standard, or historical rather, strategy of advancing on the center and the north to envelop the coalition. So our next step will be to complete the setups, and then we'll look and see how the forces look before the battle starts.